Here we are, room 3734 of the Marriott in Chicago. It is the downtown Magnificent Mile Marriott. So we will come on in over to the left and we can see into the bathroom. They do have a little powder area here with its own stool there. Inside we have pretty nice little shower. It does have regular shower head and then also a detachable wand. So we would go on over here. We can see the toiletries they have a magnification mirror. So that makes that fun. But anyway, let's go on into the main living room. So here they have actually two different areas to connect multiple rooms. So this one is the 2-queen bedroom. We can see over on this side, no outlets. Over here, we can see that we have the outlets on that. Do have a phone, and then over on this side again, no outlets over there. They do have a mini fridge, or the mini fridge. They gave us a couple bottles of water. We picked up another bottle of water, and Sarah Miss, it's a concierge lounge. Internet TV with Netflix, HBO Go, YouTube, Crackle, Pandora. Coffee maker with their little pods there. But best part about the room, over here I guess I will show you. They do have its own light switch for some mood lighting above the TV, and then also desk lamp there with some outlets there. But the best part is definitely the view. Pretty solid of the downtown. You can see the lake off in the distance, and we can see the little toy cars going on below us. So there we go. Until next time.